Hey everyone, making another video to try and answer a question I hear about frequently on the internet, and that is trailers and side-by-sides. So this is going to cover the trailer I'm using for my particular side-by-side, which is a Wolverine X2. The X2 is 5 feet wide by just under 10 feet long, and my trailer is 6.5 feet wide by 12 feet long. And what I like about this trailer is how fast I can load. I went with these Erickson Wheel Chocks, and I got these at Tractor Supply for about 40 bucks. They come with the strap for each set of chocks, and the strap supports up to a 33-inch tire, and one pair of these supports 1,500 pounds. Originally I went with these for the front and back, but since I use this trailer for leaves and other yard chores, I took them off the back because I was always tripping over them, and I switched over to these flat E-tracks. I still use the Erickson straps with these E-channels. One other thing I did was added safety chains at the front and back at all 4 corners. And the reason I did that is every once in a while when I would go to unhook my machine, some of the straps would be loose on the tires. So this gives me some added security. I used to strap it all down and then wrap the winch rope around the trailer, but I prefer these safety chains. So I'm going to show just how fast I can load my side-by-side and strap it down using this setup. Not sure if it's actually going to be fast, but it seems fast. Okay, now you can see we're all strapped down. Safety chains are in place. And I don't know how long that took me to do, but it used to be 15 to 20 minutes to do all this with tie downs, and I know it's not taking anywhere near that. So I will go inside, process this video, see how long that took to strap it down, and post up the results. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe below.